Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Easy Paper Art. Hope you all are fine. Today I am showing you some different CD craft ideas. These are very amazing and adorable for home decorations. First of all, if you're watching my video for the first time, then please subscribe my channel and also click the bell icon for more updates and notifications of my videos. And if you like my video, then please like my video and comment on it. And you can ask everything about this video, like paintings and series crafts. You can also more videos on my YouTube channel, like paper crafts, giant flowers, foaming sheet crafts, and different ideas of arts and crafts. So please share my channel to your friends and family. Remember me in your prayers. Allah Hafiz viewers, take care.